news today that I think we're all going to be very happy about. That guy right there, Eli Tomac, has signed for next year. This is coming from the Star Racing announcement that he's in for next year. And his quote was, or his quote is, I should say, I'm very pleased to announce I've signed with Monster Energy Yamaha Star Racing for the entire 2025 Super Motocross season. I anticipate 2025 being my final full season of professional SMX racing. While the last two Supercross seasons have had unfortunate endings with injury, we've had many more great race wins and championships along the way. So now is the time to enjoy the ride, go back to the wing races, and competing for the Super Motocross title. Obviously, this is good news. I mean, it sucks that he's basically announcing next year I'm going to retire, which is we could all see this happening. He's getting older. It's one of those things that it's going to happen. All the names that we are seeing now, the Webbs, the Roxons, the Tomacs, they're all going to start retiring soon, and you're going to get a bunch of the new wave guys coming up. But this is still good. We get another full year, and especially saying another full year, not just another Supercross season, not just, that part, and we'll see about outdoors. No, this is for the full year. So Supercross, Motocross, SMX playoffs. I'm excited for this. Obviously, he's missed all outdoors this year with the thumb injury, so he's going to have a lot of time off the bike. Good time to fully heal up and get ready for SMX playoffs, and then test for the Supercross season next year. But I'm excited about this. Obviously, I think with the last couple years ending the way they have, he's going to really want to come out and show, especially for his last year, to be super competitive, go for that championship. It's not going to be a victory lap. It's not going to be that year of, okay, I'm here, I'm just going to roll around in 10th. No, it's Tomac. He's going to be pushing for the wins. He's going to be pushing for that championship. And for me, that's good. I'm excited for this. Like I always say, the more people you have in the races, the more top guys you've got going, the more competitive it's going to be, the more exciting it's going to be, and the better it's going to watch. Just the product is always going to be better. It's I think this is a good thing. The Yamaha Motor USA Instagram posted, Mac is back. Eli Tomac officially announced his return to the Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha team for the entire 2025 SMX season. Welcome back, champ. See you at the track. And I'm excited for this. Like, I don't know if you guys are a fan of him, if you like the Yamaha team, whatever it is, doesn't matter. Having him back this year or next year is going to be good for just everything. But I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Excited for this? Think it's good? I don't know. Would you like to see him for 2 more years? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.